Detailing is an obvious contender. What else is on the hit list for evaluation at the moment, would you feel?
I think one of the things that the industry needs to do is to do an evaluation of the current business. So we're all very comfortable with the pharma model. We talk about it, this is what it is today. But we need to be clear what it actually looks like. So is reach and frequency and share of voice and detailing a part of the model today? 10 years ago they were looking at moving away from that, but it's still here. So if you're going to be changed to be more patient-centric, what are you going to do with those things? Should you continue to be measuring number of calls? Is that an important measure? Because it continues to be a very important measure for pharma. So I think there is a glossing over, if you like, of an understanding of the current model, because we all know it so well, and we talk about the new model. But I think you've got to take that step back and say, so what do we want to achieve here? You know, if all we want to do is deliver messages, reach and frequency is a good model. But if you don't want to just deliver messages and you want to deliver value, then different metrics and measures should apply.
Answering the question, what do we want to achieve, is something that is really the responsibility of our leaders. It's their responsibility to listen to the customer and really make a decision on that front. So do you think there's currently a little bit of a failure of leadership in actually grasping the nettle? Do you think that we need a bit more of a leap of faith from them?
Yeah, I agree. In my own experience, I've seen a reluctance to be clear about why we would do this. Why do we want to be patient-centric? It sounds like a good idea. Other players in healthcare are doing things, so pharma thinks it should continue to be engaged. But really, that's not a good enough reason. I think the CEO from Leo Pharma was fantastic, because she was very clear in why they want to do this. And it was clear in the last 2 days that her people know why they want to do this. I think that's missing for big pharma. They like the idea of being patient-centric, they like the idea of doing customer stuff, but why? And I think that is the big gap. Yeah. They talk a lot more about the what and the how. This is what we're going to do, and this is how we're going to do it.